Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto World. My name is Phipps and today we'll be covering Dogecoin token. Now, this will probably be the only video that I make for Doge, and probably because I never buy it. But just to let you all know the position, other than when Elon tweets and Mr. Musk likes to create some flux with Doge and also with the Floki token, but some significant action has been happening with Doge away from Twitter, and I'm looking at the weekly because I want to show you a fair analysis of what's been going on. So back from when we had the all-time high in May 2021, you will see that the weekly movement on this coin is either it's pumping or it's dumping. There is very little in between here. We are either making good gains. I think we had a month in August where I think there was a lot of press around Doge, so we're either dumping or we're pumping. So what's happened now is within the last 3 weeks we have actually bounced from the 786. Now what you'll see from some of these altcoins, especially ones with questionable fundamentals, is that from their all-time high they retrace back to the 786 before they make a move. So essentially what I'm saying through my interesting cough is that if Doge is going to make a move, it's going to be now. So I wouldn't be surprised in the coming days if we were to see Doge lift off and get back up to the 28-cent mark. But this isn't financial advice. This is just me saying that for the first time in a number of weeks, we've seen Doge hit and bounce off of the 786. You can see in the moment we touched it, we bounced straight up. I think if I go back and check the Twitter account of Mr. Musk, it may actually be that day. So he may have had some advisors letting him know. I don't know. Wouldn't like to comment. However, where we are is that it has wicked through 786, come straight back above, held, dropped again, pumped straight back up, come back down, and it's held, and the support is there. So Doge does not want to drop below 16-cent mark. It wants to be above 786, and the only other place for it to go other than sideways for a period of days is straight back up. So not going to make a prediction, but I will just give you the stats that week on week this thing has either pumped or dumped, pumped high, dumped, pumped higher up to 74 cents, and then dumped all the way back to the 786. So not financial advice, it is making some upward action. We're just over 19 cents now. Could it get to 28? Could it get to 38? Could it get to 45? 100%. But again, it's not something I can comfortably predict. But yeah, just to say, if this thing is going to go, this would be the point I would expect it to make a move, having just bounced off 786. The alternative is that the support doesn't hold. It drops below 16 cents, and it could even come down to a cent. I don't think the market would allow that. I think there's too much media interest in this, that if it was to come back, I'd say the lowest it could come back to would be 8 cents, looking at previous support resistance zones. Now I think from the 8-cent mark we would have a giga candle if we don't see one over the next coming week or two. Alright, take care everyone. Hope you've liked this video. Please do subscribe. I'll be covering some of the altcoins and more popular, less popular ones, and I'm also open to requests. I'll speak to you all soon.